President of Chiru Union Manipur, Naichung Chiru, has demanded the arrest of culprits who killed Wilson Thanga in an ambush at None District's Jogjangtek last night. He has asserted that the mortal remains of Wilson Thanga will not be taken unless culprits are arrested within a week's time. Speaking to media persons at Jennings Hospital, where the body of victim Wilson Thanga is kept, Naichung Chiru urged government to take necessary action on the act of terrorism and not to remain silent. While maintaining that the victim belonged to underprivileged background, Naichung Chiru demanded appropriate ex gratia for victim's family and jobs for 2 daughters of the deceased victim. While maintaining that Chiru is a small community with less population, Naichung Chiru demanded justice for the victim while also warning for agitation if government fails to take action against perpetrators.
Habak suraga charaga hingjaban nipasi adum sikre aduga anina sokre aduna ai chiru president ama oina aina pambasi tasengna ikoi sarkar sina karino ikoi manipur gi law and order karino chingda tauribasi kanano maduda tauriba thoduk thokhaliba perpetrator se ikoi puthuk piu hapta ama numit mari mangani manung sida mase puthok taradi aikoi asiba hakchang se ikoi logroi aduga government na tasengna matik chaba ikoi custom gi oiba thoram pareng pangthuk pa yaba aduga ex gratia aduga machani pa ani laibasida matik chaba 12 pass over BA tamba leirabani masida matik chaba thabak ama asi PBU haibasi ai tasengna union gi president ama oina aina appeal tawi demand asi tidragadi organization kaya ama CSO ga tied up tawnarga ekoina pangthokpa yaba akanba khongjang ama sum pangthokani.
Meanwhile, Home Minister Govindas has condemned the ambush incident and assured that government is making all possible efforts to arrest the culprits. He informed that Chief Minister Kim Chan chaired a security review meeting with officers of all security forces yesterday. Govindas also informed that there are anti-peace elements working in the state. When asked about handling the ambush cases to NIA, Home Minister Govindas maintained that government has not taken any decision so far. Speaking further, Govindas also maintained that Union Home Minister Amit Shah has been informed about hostage situation of 38 civilians belonging to 2 communities following the ambush incidents, and further, Govindas also maintained that government is making all efforts to ensure safe release of civilians.
We should also at least love like we love our life. So others also should love the other's life. How long we will go on like this? It is highly condemnable, and we will try to make the perpetrators as soon as possible. The government has not taken any decision on it, and yesterday also under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister, we had a security review meeting with all the central paramilitary forces in the state, and we will take a call very soon, and we will let media person to know. Hojik phawda civilians sing thadokri adu thadok nanaba kanna koi CSO sing aduga akoi political leaders sing ga khotana ne bosira bataunari. Even we have apprised the Minister of Home Affairs to IB. We are taking care of all those cases. Total more than 38 voter community, and we need to restrain. We need to shun the violence. So there, I don't know what happened. We have got a very, suspicious in our mind that there are some people who doesn't want Manipur to return into peace and take the part of progress. So we have to find it out.
On the other hand, Tamai MLA Awambong Nyumai expressed concern on the rising incidents of violence and asserted that only innocent civilians suffer the most during clashes. The MLA further appealed for release of civilians who have been held hostage.
Public ke awabsi pumani responsibility government amawe government is to come to the labor activity to hanin daba thoktanaba yam marum hona record later adu thoktuna lebisi labor activity miyam de mata community amama gi wasna sibana ba thokwa violence have se de loina mangjaba khat aduna akhoi leaders ama oina so khoi tokom thok togni moru oibadi public miyam se bhap tapon community amana blame tobana roi asina solution pura ka dabusna community amama wurbusu siguma civilian say innocent public sing the din office de chumde aduna miyamna bahap taminaraga public miyam change haragasi innocent lives ni release tonaba save tonaba rescue tonaba hona sian kanaba Manipur da paliba prajapunama akhoi bahap taminaraga nungsinaba uraktari fobati amana amabo yengthiba amana amabo suspect tawduna leire sigumba bodok si loibana waga dawde ko public adu public bahap tapam